faire,
means to do. In this video, we will learn the verb to do in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a third group verb, which means it is irregular and does not follow any specific pattern. So, let's see, how do we conjugate it? I do.
je fais,
You do. Informal way.
tu fais,
He does. Masculine.
il fait,
She does. Feminine.
elle fait,
We do. Or, one does. Informal way.
on fait,
We do. Formal way.
nous faisons,
You do. Formal way.
vous faites,
They do. Group of males or mixed people.
ils font,
They do. Group of only females.
elles font,
This French verb is used to express the act of performing an action, engaging in an activity, creating something, or making things happen. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. I do my homework.
je fais mes devoirs, je fais mes devoirs,
You make a pie.
tu fais une tarte, tu fais une tarte,
He does jogging.
il fait du jogging, il fait du jogging,
She makes a painting.
elle fait une peinture, elle fait une peinture,
We do some shopping.
on fait du shopping, on fait du shopping,
We make a cake.
nous faisons un gâteau, nous faisons un gâteau,
You do volunteer work.
vous faites du bénévolat, vous faites du bénévolat,
They do a party.
ils font une fête, ils font une fête,
They do exercises.
elles font des exercices, elles font des exercices,
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I do.
je fais,
You do. Informal way.
tu fais,
He does. Masculine.
il fait,
She does. Feminine.
elle fait,
We do, or one does. Informal way.
On fait.
We do. Formal way.
Nous faisons.
You do. Formal way.
Vous faites.
They do. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils font.
They do. Group of only females.
Elles font.
We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.